Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best camping gas stove 2800W High Firepower.for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best camping gas stove 2800W High Firepower.for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. When choosing a camping gas stove, the 2800W High Firepower model stands out for its efficiency and performance. Ideal for both casual campers and serious outdoor enthusiasts, this stove delivers quick and reliable cooking capabilities. With 2800W of heat output, this stove allows you to boil water, cook meals, and heat food rapidly, even in challenging weather conditions. Its powerful flame can easily handle large pots and pans, making it suitable for group camping trips. Most 2800W camping gas stoves are designed for easy transport. Lightweight and compact, they fit seamlessly into your backpack or camping gear without taking up much space. Look for models with sturdy carry cases for added convenience. When camping, a stable cooking surface is crucial. Choose a stove with a wide base and sturdy construction to prevent tipping. Durable materials also ensure that the stove can withstand outdoor conditions, prolonging its lifespan. Check that the stove is compatible with readily available gas canisters. Many models use standard screw-on canisters, which are easy to find at outdoor retailers. Opt for stoves with safety mechanisms, such as automatic shut-off valves or flame control settings, to enhance your cooking experience. A 2800W High Firepower camping gas stove is an excellent investment for anyone looking to cook efficiently while enjoying the great outdoors. Make sure to consider power, portability, durability, fuel compatibility, and safety features when making your choice. Thanks for watching the video.